I'll guide you through how to animate text in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open 𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 in a browser. Log into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the All Projects section. When your project appears, click it. Locate the Create button and click it. Then select the Design option from the drop-down menu. When your project is ready, start by typing the main text you want. Then create another text that you want to animate. Right-click on the animated text, choose Frame Selection, then drag the selection until only one word is selected. Then check the Clip Content checkbox. Next, select both text, right-click, and select Frame Selection. Copy and paste the selection 2 times and place them below each other. Double-click each text and drag it to change them, so they're different from one another. Once done, select all the texts, look at the right sidebar, and click Create Component Set. Now go to the Prototype section in the right bar. Click on the first text, drag the plus button to the second text. Change the interaction from on-click to after delay, and from instant to smart animate. Repeat this from a second to third, and third to first. Click Assets on the left bar, select your created text, then click Present on the right to see your animated text.